Hi guys, it's Dan here again. Just doing a video for you lads again. It's my upgrade I'm going to do now on my powermac G5. If you watched my last video, you'll know what it is. It is actually the ATI Radeon X1900, the G5 Mac edition, and I think it's going to be a pretty cool upgrade this. At the moment, as you know, we've got the 6600 LE in there, 128 megs of VRAM, whereas this one has 256 megs of VRAM, and it's also DDR3, so it should be quite snappy when I put this in, lads. As you know, I've also put 6 gigs of memory in it, so it should fly a bit, you know. Don't know what else I can do to it. I might take it to 16 gig eventually. Money's a bit tight at the moment though, so I've got to slow down on my spending. But yeah, this should be a good video, lads. Sit back and enjoy. So here we go, and I'll get the camera set up so you can see the powermac G5, and I'll show you the card again, a quick glimpse of it before I actually install it. I bought this card for 60 quid on eBay off a guy, so not too bad for the price. When they came out, they were nearly 400 quid, these cards, but the card's nearly 7-year-old, so the price of it's gone down a lot. So, but it's still a good card for this machine. It was the best card at the time for the machine. You could actually get the Nvidia FX Quadro 4500, which had 512 megs of VRAM on. Now this card I'm putting in is only a single slot one. I think that's why they've made it for the G5, so they can utilize all the slots in and just use one slot for the card, because they did make the 512 meg version of this card, and that actually took 2 slots up, and it went all the way back to the bit what holds the cards in, whereas this one's about that long, so it's not very long. But it's still a nice card, lads, so here we go. Right guys, here we go. Just move the card. This is the card what's going in, lads. So let's open her up. So you know it's quite easy on these machines. Little latch on the side here, lift it up, pull it out, and there you go. There's the innards of the G5. Air baffle off. As you know, these have an air baffle on. Right, let's see. This is where your graphics card is, lads. This is coming out now to install the new one, so we'll just get a good close-up view of the card. Here's the card we're going to take out. We'll now get the Phillips screwdriver and take the card out. Right. Shouldn't be too hard. Just one screw. I'll have to take the adapter out at the back. Might be a little lever in there what you have to push up. Just ground yourself. Touch metal or something like that. Make sure you're grounded, lads. Last thing you want, static in this. There you go. There's the old card. It's got a passive cooler on, which means it's just a finned plate which cools the card down. So that's come out now. It's a bit dusty in there. I might give it a quick wipe before I put my new one in. I'm going to try and retrieve that screw as well. That should be fun. Might as well give it a quick dust while it's off. Not going too near the board though. I don't want to damage it with static. Right. Yeah. It's very dusty in there. Very dusty. So now try and retrieve the screw which has fallen. into here. A little pain in the neck. Let's see if we can get it. There you go. Screw retrieved. Well, good job I've got this. What it is it's just things sometimes you get an accessory in your screwdriver kit, like an aerial, but it's got a magnet on the end, so that's come in handy. Right, it's now clear for the new card. What we'll do, lads, is we'll put the new lead in first, and then we'll put the card in. So, put this little lead in first. Right, there's your lead. It's a 6-pin lead. Get it out of its bag. There you go, lads, that's what the lead looks like. The big end goes in the card, the little end goes on the logic board. So I'll just find out where it goes and then I'll install this lead. Alright lads, it's saying, I'll show you the book. Focus. Showing you where the lead goes. It's next to the fan at the top. Plugs in there and then goes down. So we'll have a look for that. Yeah, I've found it. It's in an awkward place though, but I should be able to reach it. I've got very small hands, so I have to get it in anyway. Might have it in now, but you never know. Something's clicked. Yeah, got it in, lads. Leads in. Route it through here. Through there. Right. That was a pain in the neck. Let's open the curtain more so you can see. Right, let's get the card out. Here's the little beauty. Nice, I like it. Nice card, that's going in. So it's only one slotter, which is handy if you've got plenty of cards in, but there you go lads, now we're putting this in. I'll line it up with the slot. Now this could be awkward getting into the slot. Put it in the thing, see if it'll guide it in. Yeah, that's it. He's in. Let's get the screw in. Don't want to lose the screw though. It's tight. Right, the card's in, lads. Put the power up to it. There you go. Let's check it's in. That's it, it's not coming out. So there you go, lads. Successful install of the X1900. The old card, I'm going to put that in the bag. Put it back in the box what the cards come out of, the X1900. If anything does go wrong, I've got another card. It's always handy to keep the original one that's come out of it. It's alright selling them on to eBay, but if your card goes tits up and you need another one, it can be quite expensive these. Even the standard cards, some of them going for about 20-30 quid. There you go, the old cards in some anti-static, lads. If you ever send any electrical components to anybody, lads, please put them in anti-static bags. Don't wrap them in bubble wrap, or the other stuff, just polythene, because it's static stuff. Use the proper stuff, lads, because then you know it's going to get there safely. So there you go, successful install of the X1900. Shall be booting it up in a minute, lads, and hopefully she'll work. Right, we'll put the air baffle back on now, lads. Just make sure that card's properly installed. I'll start messing with it. Yeah, put the air baffle on. We've got iStat Pro on here, so if the temperature does go up, I know exactly why. Going back. Try again. There you go. Baffle's back on. Put the door back on now. Latch down. There you go, lads. That's the installation of the X1900 into our powermac G5, lads. I'll now boot her up and see if this card works. Hopefully it will, but here we go. Right, lads, different noise there. See if she fires up. Yes, we've got the Apple logo. No glitching. That's a good sign. See if she works right now. The fan's gone quiet. She's booting into leopard. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's just check on the Finder about this Mac. More info. Graphics. Yep. There you go, lads. The ATI Radeon X1900 slot 1. X16 256 megs of VRAM. So yeah, it's looking good, lads. Looking good. No lagging. That's good. With the 6600 LA, I did notice a bit of lagging when I was using that. This one's smooth as butter. Right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video of me installing the card, and it works. It did crash once, but I've not had a problem since. So The installation was a success, lads, and the car's pretty decent for what it is. You know, it's an X1900. What more can you say about it? It was powerful in its time. Obviously, it's not powerful now, but it's alright for the retro games I'll be playing on it. So there you go, lads. I might even show you a few of them videos on them when I'm playing them, and see what you think, lads. So it's Dana Man saying bye for now. Bye.